Pacific Shore stones in Springdale. If you're looking to create an impact, make a statement, or keep minimalist lines for a clean look on your project, we have the perfect solution for you. Large format tiles, aka porcelain slabs, provide the perfect touch to enhance any design. Before we get into the designs and details, let's define what it means when you hear the term large format tile. With all of the new innovative technologies of today, the meaning of large format tile has changed to encompass any tile that is larger than 15 inches and can be ceramic, porcelain, or stone. One of the most important design elements in these tiles is the minimal grout area. This is because the material is so large that it provides more coverage and therefore less grout is required. With less grout lines, many tiles put together can create a crisp, clean wallpaper effect. Another plus is the ease of maintenance, because we all know that grout cleaning is not the easiest task. Now we can get into the fun part, the styles and benefits of large format tiles. The large design of these tiles create a more modern look with a contemporary edge. They can be designed to mimic natural stone, concrete, metal, and so many more. Here at Pacific Shore Stones, we have our very own exclusive line called Pacshore Tech, which are large format, premium porcelain slabs. They are 100% natural, scratch, stain, heat, frost, and UV resistant. They are non-porous and best of all, easy to clean. Pacshore Tech surfaces are made by combining materials such as clay, feldspar, and quartz and firing them at extremely high temperatures, creating a product that is even more durable than ordinary ceramic. Since the material is non-porous, there is no opportunity for bacteria, mold, or mildew to grow, meaning it's very hygienic and suitable for kitchen use. These porcelain tiles are 126 inches by 63 inches and available in 1.2 and 2 cm with leathered, polished, or matte finishes available.